special day for our country and it is a big opportunity to express my thoughts. So I would like to grab this opportunity and pour out my heart to the importance of this day. Today we all have gathered here in our school campus to celebrate the 76th Republic Day of our country as we become Republic on 26 January 1950. Though we had gained independence on 15th August 1947, but we become truly independent only after our own constitution was implemented on 26 January 1950 under the leadership of Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who was the head of Constituent Assembly and became the first President of India. This established and sovereignty of our own country, which was governed by the Britishers before the implementation of our own constitution. Today is the day to remember that our freedom fighter had to sacrifice their all for the nation, and so we must not forget their contribution. At the same time, only remember the sacrifices won't suffice. The real tribute to the freedom fighters will be discipline and cognitive development of our country. Our country has progressed a lot in a span of 76 years, but a lot needs to be done. For example, in the past few years, we have been able to develop in manufacturing, communication, facilities, etc. So we especially students must perform our duties meticulously in order to make our country progress in every field, as we are the real assets for our country. Today is a red letter day for our country. On this day, the President of our country unfurls the national flag at Kartavya Path in New Delhi. There is a grand parade in New Delhi showcasing India's bravery, culture and achievements. We also celebrate this day all over the country with great pomp and show. One last thing that I would like to mention before ending this speech is that we must rise above all differences and join hands together in order to make our country a real heaven on the earth. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.